Hey, good morning guys. So today I am surprised by my pupils. Grade 5 pupils guys. So ayan. Ito yung nandito sa board. So may sulat na Happy Valentine's Day ma'am. I love you ma'am. Oy, I love ma'am. Okay. So ayan guys. Yan. Thank you so much. So ito pa yung surprise nila guys for me. So meron silang flowers. Ayan. So, iba-iba. Lahat sila nagbigay, guys. At meron pang cash. Thank you so much. Tapos, meron din dito chocolate. So, ayan kung nasaan na ba yung chocolate. Basta nandito yung chocolate, guys. At saka flowers. Yan. Okay, nandito yung meron cards with wow. Yan. So, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much, my dear pupils, for this batch. Okay, thank you so much. So, ito pa guys. So, yung anak ko excited na kumain. Okay? So, iba't iba yung ibinigay nila sa akin. Okay, so, maraming salamat sa mga pupils ko. Okay. Okay, what will you say?
Happy Valentine's Day, Mom!
Okay, thank you so much. So, ayan. Nagsusulat yan sila, guys.